What do you got to say, huh? What do you got to say? You talking to me? Who's over here by you? Who are you kicking? Who are you kicking, chicken? Yeah. Who are you kicking? Who are you kicking? Have you got toes? Let me see your toes. Show me your toes. Can you show me your toes? Oh, get upset with it. Do you want your pussy? You can't seem to have a blanket on your head. You want your passy? No, you want Dad's fingers? Well, there's your toes. There you go. Gnawing that, it feels good on our gums.